A word to the wise tonight, watch your mailbox for an important letter from the IRS sent to hundreds of thousands of Coloradans.
If you ignore it or lose it, it could get messy for you at tax time. KRDO News Channel 13's Mallory Anderson has what you need to know.
A letter from the IRS, no matter how innocent, has a tendency to send anyone into panic mode. And many in southern Colorado will receive two over the next few weeks.
The first one is the 6419, that's on the child tax credit. What that states is how much has been sent to each taxpayer receiving that amount. They will need to keep that letter to report on their taxes. Any amount different should be credited on their tax return if they didn't receive the full amount.
The second letter, 6475, is about the third stimulus checks, which most people received in March of 2021.
Woohoo! We got our stimulus check, Debbie. Yay!
Tax experts I spoke to say while the letters from the IRS aren't bad news at all, they could cause issues this tax season. This is because people who forgot they received money may tell the IRS they never got any checks, and that will result in a bill from the feds.
I think there's going to be a bit of confusion. A lot of people don't even pay attention to those letters. So then it will be similar to last year where people stated they didn't receive those two stimulus payments, but they actually did. If you didn't receive it, you had a credit, more refund coming. And then later in the year, they received a letter stating, you owe us money now. And I can see that happening. The same with the child tax credit.
To avoid issues, hold on to these letters and double check the money you received over the last year was the accurate amount. Most stimulus checks and child tax credits were direct deposited, so you can go back through your bank statements.
If you have that documentation ready and it's accurate, it'll be a much smoother ride. If not, you might get a letter later on, and that's when the panic sets in.
Reporting in Colorado Springs, Mallory Anderson, KRDO News Channel 13.